Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Water Inlet Valve Kit for Manitowoc part number 9122. The Water Inlet Valve Kit for Manitowoc part #9122K is a replacement part for Manitowoc ice machines. This kit includes the water inlet valve, a mounting bracket, and 2 O-rings. The water inlet valve is designed to regulate the flow of water into the ice machine. It is made of durable plastic and features an adjustable flow rate. The mounting bracket allows for easy installation, and the O-rings provide a secure seal between the valve and the ice machine. This kit is compatible with Manitowoc models S400, S600, S800, S1000, and S1200. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a faulty water inlet valve in Manitowoc ice machines. It can fix symptoms such as the machine not filling with water or the machine not producing enough ice. Here is how you install this part. 308-1. Turn off the water supply to the ice machine. 2. Disconnect the water line from the existing inlet valve. 3. Remove the existing inlet valve from the machine by unscrewing it from the mounting bracket. 4. Install the new inlet valve by aligning it with the mounting bracket and securing it with screws. 5. Connect the water line to the new inlet valve and turn on the water supply to the ice machine. 6. Test for proper operation of the new inlet valve by running a cycle of ice cubes and checking for any leaks or other issues. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.fps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.